revision, then I'll put that in classroom. Okay. What is the name of that recording? Windows? Do you know?
You should download from that
Microsoft what? You should know name, no? You should tell me name.
Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store.
Yes, that I have done. See here. For class 10 I have created or not? Yes, it's my drive. So I'll be keeping that link, okay? Next. Which chapter we are reading now? File management. What is the unit? Oh, see here, before that, before that you should see where is our syllabus first. 10. Ebooks syllabus 9, 11, 10. Mid-term is second term, okay? Pre-qualifying means third term, or that is law. QBASIC, we are reading this sequential file handling, okay? In sequential file handling, there is which topic, subtopic we are reading? Creating file, okay? Creating sequential file. So creating sequential file means you should know how to create sequential files. So for that there are 4 steps. So that is our topic is 9 QBASIC. 9. Let's say this is QBASIC. Okay. Inside that QBASIC, let's have. I'll repeat next. So I'll be sharing this drive with you. No problem. Yes. This is file management. File management QBASIC. So see, we're covering only the important topics here. I know we'll explain later now if required. Then sit nicely. So the first one is yesterday what we did is creating what? A sequential file. So there are how many steps in creating sequential file? Tell me. 4 steps. I know. What are they? So open the data file.
Right.
Get information from the user.
Get information.
Write into the file.
Write in the information from the user.
Write into the file.
And write into the
Write
file.
into the file.
If writing is over, then close the file. Then close the file.
So one by one, okay. So this is the main thing you need to understand first, right? After that, syntax is there, I know. And we have written, see, we are going to manage the file. We are going to manage the file by using what? QBASIC. Okay, so how we can do it? For that we need first QBASIC file. So see here, right? There is not, or we are going to create the document info.dat file. Okay, we're asking in QBASIC, but it will be storing in some document file. Okay, let's see here. Last time also we have discussed this one, I know. Just one minute, one second. Control Z. Wait, don't just do that. Okay. So see here, right? So that means
क्या है?
So first, this is okay or not okay?
There is no any probability.
Can you see this color or not? Which color you can see?
In last not seeing I think. Oh, that blue and yes.
This you can see?
Yes.
Black.
Being straight. That 4% you are doing that then and you are doing being straight. When I look there, it is sound stop done. What is the problem? 4% or not all person?
The teens band.
They do. Oh, see here, wait. Our task is to first create file. Okay, we create the file in which mode? Output mode. So you should give the name of the file should be info. For example, info.dat. Yes. For output as give file ID. It should be it makes the differences between. You ask what input, enter. See where employees. Enter employee's name. So that should be in $, because that is string. Input, enter what? Post. So that should be also $P. Input, department. Okay. Input department. See what is the so that is also $D. Yes. Any salary. Enter salary. This is very typical question for file management. Salary is what? No S string. This is because number. Yes, number. So after taking input from users, we are in what? Writing into the file. See, we have opened the file, the first step.
From
and then after
QBASIC.
QBASIC we are doing. We are getting the information from users. I know. We are now. We should what should we do? We should write. Okay, write. Write means that things should be written to the file. In file number 1, whatever you have got the values in the variables above, you write into that. That means $. Fine. See there very careful way. $P, $D, and yes. Twice. So again,
Sorry.
you want to test, enter any more records. Do you want any more records? Do you? You can write any message. Add more records. Any more records? Any more? Or any more records? You can say. No problem. Any more records? For convenience, only we're writing. It is optional. Okay. Any more records? Then you ask and store that $, capital Y and small y. Yes, y represents yes. Capital Y. Yeah, both can be taken. If you guess, at least you give me a y, or you input y, small y, or capital Y saying. Okay, it is to mean that, to indicate that. So if that y is handling which value, it is equivalent to capital Y, then what? Go to top. Top is not represented. So after this, it should be top. Again, it should be in doing, looping. I know. So we should close it. .1 and so what we are doing here is, see there, there is not the file. There is not info.file. Is there any info.file? No. You can see is that you can think you can see employee.data. So I'm just see. We can write employee.dat file. Okay, no problem. Fine. So see there is no employee, right? But we are going to create a file. So for this, start. You should execute that code. Look at here, this is very difficult. 100% question. So this is what? Employee name, Ram. Post, manager. Department,
IT.
huh? IT. You can put no problem. Salary,
20,000.
like 25,000.
$25,000.
La. Then after, let's say that is. Do you want to add more records or not? It is asking.
Small y.
If you have kept y, then it will ask another value. If you do not keep except this y, then it will terminate, keeping only one value. Okay,
Small
we'll
y.
trust. Small again, it is employee's name.
Ram.
Hari.
Sammy.
Hari. Assistant manager. Yes.
CEO.
So CEO also you can say.
Chief Executive Officer.
Assistant manager, department, and the administration, finance you can say.
Finance.
Money.
Salary
Money.
20,000.
Huh?
Managerले 25,000.
20. So 20,000. 20.
15,000.
20,000 for example. It's just a demo. Okay, it can be any value. So suppose we have how many values we have given? 2. Yes. Now we do not want to add. You can add any more also. Then no. You can press by this program. You can put any other values also. Okay. But we represent no. Then it will stop. Please press any key to continue. So what happens? See.
So the y अथवा small y जुन चाहिँ राख्यो भने नि हुन्छ.
Yes. Because it will be making it will UKS will make that big, isn't it? Therefore it is lost here. So what is there? That's we are writing in Notepad in file using what? QBASIC. This is file handling.
Manager ID 20,000.
Yes. This is very simple. That's what we have done. These are the data we have given, isn't it? So this is the thing that we are reading. Okay? Therefore look very carefully. Okay. So now this is the first time we are creating file. It may be a little bit. Seems very complex, but it is not that much simple. Okay. Now this is what in creating mode or the writing mode, creating mode. Okay. We are creating the file. Now next time what we have to do, we should read the file. Whatever the content are there, that should be different.
Again do that.
There are many. We'll practice. No problem. Don't worry about that. Okay. So for example, this is the. So this is what. Okay, we are closing. Just a minute. This is the program for that. Okay. So
we should click in that file and again come in.
we should first execute the code. What the code is saying? You should listen. You should see their code.
No, again in that what in parallel line doing okay no so what have we
Now we'll do one exercise question. Yesterday I told you to do that one question. So let me give me one question.
no don't that again that study one homework you to have to know that we have
Yes. It is. Let's see another question also. Okay. Don't no problem. Let's see page number 221. Yes. Question number. Let's not say the exact thing. So from your exercise part, there is a word question we have. Suppose there is our question, Aina. So our question is like this. Let's not.
you are done in that in your computer and you are done. Talk in English, bro. So she talking.
The file name can be different. Oi. The file name can be different when it is saying create. Okay, create. When this word comes, create on a store. That time we should use our program should run in which mode?
Reading, writing.
Output mode. Writing mode. That means output mode. To store name of what? A visitor. Okay, just leaving. So are you understanding or not? Are you understanding or not? Yes. Now again, next sample question. Okay, so next sample question is we have to create a file. The name of the file is what? Travel.dat. That. Okay. And in that file, what we have to store is their visitor's name. So what we have to store is visitor's name. And next, what we have to store? Similarly, we have to store destination name, where that visitor wants to go. I know. And the distance he is traveling, and the expense means how much amount he should spend. Yes. So that means what? So visitors. So this is our question. When question is asked like this, yes, what is our solution? What is the program for this QBASIC program for this? We are not reading other programming language, so you should understand QBASIC in file management case. Fine. Question copied? Yes. None. La. See here. Question is clearly asking you to file name should be what? Asking you to to create the file name, it should be what? Travel. Fine. That is fine. First information, what it is asking to from us?
Visitor's name.
Visitor's name. So
Employee's name. Visitor's name.
so you can write just name also, or you can write visitor's name also. Okay.
Visitors.
Plus it is in similar nature, isn't it? So you should not be confused on that part. Okay, in that part. Visitor's name. Enter. Destination. So see here, very similar, much. That is distance.
Distance.
Okay, enter distance. You can write, no problem.
Distance in.
Wait. We'll come. Distance and travel expense.
That
Distance also listing.
खर्च what telling that?
We're coming.
Expenses.
Enter expense.
No, they're not coming.
See, wait. We have two types of variable. One is a string and another is numerical variable. Yes, QBASIC supports. So name is what? It is a string, isn't it? It is text. So name is $N. Fine. Destination. It is what? This is also what? Name. Pokhara, Bhairava, Butwal. That is destination, isn't it? So $D.
Kathmandu.
Distance. Now see, there is two times $D. So what we can do is DE,
D dash.
D1 and D2 we can do also, yes, or destination DES, destination and DIS. Fine.
No,
It depends on.
Yes, okay. No.
Distance is in what? A. Okay. Distance is in numerical part, so you can do D only, and for this is $D. Fine. Expense is what? Numerical value, because it is the amount of money. So that it should be in E. So whatever the variables you have created there, you just write down once again. $N,
D.
D, comma E. Fine, very easy question. Add many more records. So simply remaining is same. Okay. So see now execute this. Again, our file ID was for travel ID also. That is what Travel.dat also file ID is one, but the name is different. Hey, see that is the different map of this thing. You should understand. So here we are asked visitor's name. This time let's take another name. For example of visitor's name. Someone is okay. Pritham. Where do you want to go? They are asking.
Mount Everest.
No, please name.
Teacher or Pritam?
I wanna go.
In Nepal.
Mustang.
Kanchanpur. Okay, Kanchanpur. Distance out is around 500 kilometer. Let's say 500-700. 600. Okay, 600. This is approximate value. So how much do you spend there to go there?
2000
2000 rupees
per single.
per single. So do you want any other person is going or not? Yes, you're going. Then you should press yes. Why? This is
Going in Manang.
Manang. Okay, Manang. So how much do you spend there to go? How much distance? Around 700, 800 kilometer.
Yes. Then they are going expenses
Expenses? Oi,
something 6,000.
no, 5,000 less, right? No problem. Yes.
6,000. Yeah.
So we do not want to anymore. We can add any more. That time, last time we are adding 2 records. Yes, we can add one more. No problem. From your side, Adria. Okay, Adria. Where do you want to go? Huh? Antarctica. Is it okay? Spelling. Antarctica spelling. Okay. Let's say okay for some distance. Maybe 5,000 kilometers. Yes. Let's say only 2,500 kilometers. Okay, 2,500 kilometers.
Going that Australia and
Expense how much? Maybe 50,000.
50
Cost lakh.
Lakhs. Okay, no problem. For now, example only.
50 lakh.
50 lakh.
5 lakh.
Finished.
Yes.
50 lakh.
Another 1 0 also.
So now we want to stop our record. Then press yan, or you can press on other things. So let's for familiarity, for our easiness, yan. So press here. Now let's see our output.
We can't see them, sorry.
Travel.dat.
So see, Pritam Kanjanpur 600,000. Yes.
Yes.
Your file name is also whether the travel.dat file or not. See here, date is already given here. Here, DAT file. So you can see the extension also. So see
1 kilobyte.
here. See here. .dat file, travel file is in the extension what? File. Fine. So this is all about creating. You should know.
Coming.
Travel we have just now informed the file name change, isn't it?
That to coming.
Understood? So you should know similar question. So we have, if you are asked to create a file having some name and you will be asked some information from users, you should take that. If it is numerical, then without dollar. If it is string, text, like that, characters, then that is what? With dollar, 2 variables. And write that value, ask more, I know. There is another method of taking, except this go to statement, there is another method also, but just follow the for one if you are confident. If you know this very well, then you can move another method also, no problem, I know. But always you follow which method? This top, go to top method, okay?
Okay, sir.
So this much for we're doing for today, okay? Creating file you should know now, okay?
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you, okay, thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, sir.
Slowly, don't.